Now today let's start with chapter number 10, Delhi, the National Capital Territory. So let's start with the chapter Delhi. Delhi kya hai? It's a metropolitan city, right? It's a metropolitan city. It shares geographical boundaries with Uttar Pradesh in the east, Haryana on the other three sides. And Delhi it is situated on the bank of river Yamuna. Yamuna river ke bank pe hai. Origin of Delhi. History of Delhi dates back to the days of Harappan civilization. Delhi was the capital of many empires starting from ancient times. Many people believe that Delhi was the legendary capital of Pandavas, जो आपके epic महाभारत में. It was called Indraprasth then, and Delhi was rebuilt by the Emperor Shah Jahan in 17th century. It is called Shahjahanabad. City of Delhi is divided into two parts, Old Delhi and New Delhi, right? And together, New Delhi is the capital of India. President, Prime Minister, and Member of Parliament live in New Delhi. And New Delhi also houses embassies of many foreign countries. If we talk about climate, climate कैसा है? Hot और humid रहता है. Extreme climate है यहाँ पे, right? Cold in summer and very hot in cold in winter and very hot in summer, right? And we can say a hot dry wind, जिसे हम लू कहते हैं, blows over here in the summer month. Important sites, आप दिल्ली में आप देखते हैं कुछ important sites है, जिसे आप देखेंगे कुतुब मीनार, world tallest brick minaret. कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक started as construction और इल्तुतमिश ने इसे कंप्लीट करा था. इट्स 17 मीटर हाई और फेमस जो मेहरौली पिलर है वो आपका कुतुब मीनार के जस्ट पास में ही है, राइट. देन वी हैव इंडिया गेट. इट इज द नेशनल मॉन्यूमेंट, right? It is designed by Sir Edwin Newton. It was built in 1931 and there are flame in the middle of India Gate. It's always kept burning. It is known as Amar Jawan Jyoti. It is built in the remembrance of Indian soldiers who lost their life in the defense of the country. जिन्होंने अपनी लाइफ को गवाया कंट्री के लिए, उनके यहाँ पे नेम्स लिखे हुए हैं. Red Fort, also known as Lal Killa, was built in 17th century by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. On every Independence Day जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर है वहाँ पे क्या करते हैं, नेशनल फ्लैग होस्ट करते हैं. देन वी हैव राजघाट. इट इज द मेमोरी ऑफ फादर ऑफ नेशन महात्मा गांधी. इट इज सिचुएटेड ऑन बैंक ऑफ रिवर यमुना. जामा मस्जिद, ओल्ड दिल्ली, largest mosque है. It is built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1656. Then we have Akshardham Temple. The Akshardham Temple situated in the East Delhi. It is located on the bank of river Yamuna. It is built in 2005. Besides being a place of worship, it is also known as for its architecture. Hundreds of people from all over the country and around the world visit this temple every day. Then we have Lotus Temple. The Lotus Temple in Delhi is a Baha'i palace of worship. It is built in shape of lotus. Hundreds of people visit this temple and it is one of the most visited places in India. तो सबसे ज़्यादा लोग visit करते हैं वो आपका यही है. If we talk about culture of Delhi, let's talk about culture of Delhi. So we have Delhi Metro, world-class metro rail system जो interconnect करते हैं various parts. It has made traveling within the city, right, comfortable, affordable और quick. Some other important places are पुराना किला, तुगलकबाद फोर्ट, जंतर मंतर, पार्लियामेंट हाउस, फिरोज शाह कोटला और हुमायूं टॉम. These are the different sites that are located over here, right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.